Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best in food and grocery products. Today, we're diving into a product that's perfect for anyone looking to up their salad game: the 365 by Whole Foods Market Organic Chopped Kale. If you're a fan of fresh, healthy ingredients, this is the kale salad mix you've been searching for. Let's start with why this kale is considered the best. First off, it's organic, so you can rest assured that you're getting a product free from harmful pesticides and chemicals. The kale is USDA organic certified, which means it's grown sustainably and with care for the environment. This is not just a healthy choice for you, but also for the planet. Whether you're a vegan, vegetarian, or just looking to add more nutritious greens to your diet, this chopped kale fits right in. It's versatile, delicious, and packed with nutrients like vitamins A, C, and K, as well as fiber and antioxidants. One of the best things about this product is its convenience. It comes pre-chopped and ready to use, making it an excellent option for busy individuals who still want to enjoy a wholesome, home-cooked meal. You can toss it into your favorite salad, add it to soups, blend it into smoothies, or even sauté it as a side dish. The 12-ounce bag is perfect for meal prep, whether you're making a quick lunch or preparing a large dinner for the family. No more washing, peeling, or chopping. This kale takes the hassle out of meal preparation. But what really makes this kale stand out is the freshness. Even though it's chopped and packaged, it retains its vibrant green color and fresh taste. This is thanks to Whole Foods' commitment to quality and the way they carefully select and package their produce to lock in that just harvested flavor. Each bite is crisp, tender, and full of the fresh, earthy taste that makes kale such a beloved superfood. If you've been on the lookout for a kale salad mix that's not only fresh but also easy to use, the 365 organic chopped kale is definitely worth trying. Plus, because it's organic, you can feel good about the impact your food choices are making on both your health and the environment. Whether you're making a quick lunch or a healthy dinner, this kale will elevate any dish. So, if you're ready to add some nutritious greens to your meals, look no further than the 365 by Whole Foods Market Organic Chopped Kale. It's fresh, organic, and perfect for creating the best kale salad mix. You can find it online, but be quick, this product tends to fly off the shelves. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next one.